Hello students, let us continue the chapter that is excretory system. So in the last video we discussed about the longitudinal section of kidney, and today we are going to see the structure of nephron. You can see here this is the structure of nephron, a rough diagram of nephron. So here the bulged part, this is known as glomerulus, and the glomerulus is placed inside a cup-shaped structure which is named as Bowman's capsule. So glomerulus along with the Bowman's capsule together is known as Malpighian body. After that, it starts the descending part. So here this convoluted part means a coiled part. It's not shown here, but here it is the coiled part. If you can follow my point. So this convoluted part is known as proximal convoluted tubule, and then when that liquid moves downwards, this part is known as loop of Henle, and then when the liquid moves upward, then this convoluted part is known as distilled convoluted part. And then all the liquid gets collected in this common duct which is known as collecting duct. So this was the structure of nephron. So what is the function of nephron? First of all, nephron is known as the structural and functional unit of kidney, and the function of nephron is to purify the blood and also formation of urine formation. So this was the function of nephron. Now let us discuss some disorders of excretory system. First comes urinary tract infection. What is the meaning of urinary tract? The tract or the path from the formation of urine till the elimination of urine, that full path is known as, that is from the kidney to the urethra. That path is known as urinary tract. So infection in that path is known as urinary tract infection. So this is the urinary tract, and the infection in this part is known as urinary tract infection. So it can be infection, the upper part, upper region, that can be kidney infection, and infection can also occur in the lower region, and that can also be known as bladder infection. And the structure which you can see here, this is a type of bacteria or microorganism which is known as Escherichia coli, which is responsible for the occurrence of this infection. Now let us see the symptoms of UTI or urinary tract infection. That is a burning sensation while urinating, frequent urge to urinate, pain in the lower abdomen, fever or chills. How we can prevent that? Drinking lots of water, plenty of water, then maintaining physical hygiene and personal hygiene, and it can also be treated by some antibiotics, means by the help of some medicines. So these are the prevention, treatment and symptoms of UTI. Let us come across the next type of disorder which is known as kidney stones. Kidney stones, you might have heard about the stones in the kidneys, and those stones are nothing but the composition of minerals or salt. So there is a accumulation of those minerals and salt in the path, in the tract, and that blocks the line or the ureter entrance of the ureter or in the kidney. It can be found out, or it can be present in the bladder, which blocks the path of the passage of urine. So these kidney stones, it can be of large size, it can be of smaller size. So according to that, it can be treated. Symptoms can be severe pain at the back or lower abdomen, pain during urination, urge to urinate frequently, nausea and vomiting. And how can be prevented? It prevented by drinking plenty of water, avoiding high protein, sugar or salt diet, medication to relieve pain, and medical procedures to remove stones. So such type of treatment and prevention we can go through, so that the kidney stones can be treated properly. So hereby we completed the chapter.